Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error, this 2503 and 2502 when you try to install any programs. So let's get started and see how you can fix it. So the first thing that we have to do, we have to go to File Explorer. You can go here. And then we will click on this PC. And then we click on our local disk C. And then we click on Windows. And we're gonna search for temp folder, so we're gonna scroll down until we see temp folder, and then right click on it, go to properties, and then here go to security, and then go to edit. And if you have this, you can go and just click on this allow here full control, and click on apply, and click on yes, and click on continue, just continue all of that. And then we go to the next one. If you don't have this edit button, you can click here on advanced, and you can go here on and do the same thing as before. Go to edit again and make sure the full control is selected. On every user has to be selected full control. As you can see, for me on everything is selected, so just select everything here, click OK, click on yes, and continue. And that's it, just click OK, and now it should be working. Now if the error still persists, you can go and restart your PC and see if it works. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next video. Bye.